Hey guys, Terry here. Hey, I did something new with my Creative Memory pages. I want to show you. This is the 6 3/4 by 10-inch page that goes in our planners. Isn't that cute? So I have done a Christmas layout and a babysitting layout. Let me show you. I was just in the process of taking the book apart and I thought, oh, let me tell you guys about this. Okay, so here is Steve and I babysitting the grandson, our youngest one. And I had so many pictures for it, but I really didn't want to make two 12 by 12 two-page layouts. So I decided to have this little planner page be in here. So I put the blue paper on this one and the pink paper on this one. And now I'm going to take my book apart and add it inside here. So I've got that one to add, and then I've also got one for Christmas. So if you notice, I do my pages on a 12 by 12 and then I slide them in here, and then I put the plastic cover over it. I do that because I don't always work in chronological order. It's like I haven't done Thanksgiving yet, but I had done Steve's birthday. I need to do my birthday. And then I finished Christmas. So it's nice because I haven't glued those down. I can still slide them around as I find new things and scoot those back. So I kind of use it like the top loading 12 by 12 pages. So then for my Christmas one, I did the same thing. I put the red background on here. I just had more pictures than what I wanted to show, the house decor and the family pictures, and then I still had some fun little pictures to put in here. So I did the red on there and the green on here, and this is going to hook into here. So now I'm in the process of unhooking. I've taken the spine out, and I'm just unhooking it from the back of the book. Remember, we unhook it from the back. And I'm just taking this little tab thing off. So I've got the back page, I've got the tabs, and then I'm going to take off all the way back to the first one here, but I'm going to keep my pages in order. I would say that's the cumbersome thing, is you do have to take your book apart, but it only takes a minute. So okay, so I'm just going to insert this here, and the tabs line up perfectly so that it's right in the middle of the book. And I love that they did that. So it's just a way to incorporate, you know, just a couple more, handful more of pictures on your 12 by 12 layout. And I like that it's just right in the middle of the pages. Whoops, forgot my Christmas one. Let's do it in order here. Forgot I had two of them. There we go. So, like I said, it's a little bit cumbersome. Oh, and then I do have the plastic covers. I've got the plastic covers for the planner pages. I need to pull those out. So these will be all set. I love it. Okay, so you can see I've got many pages in here. This is probably 2 packs of the pages. I always give it a shake just to make sure I've got everything attached in there before I finish. And then I put this back one on just like it's a page, and then I lay this one on and feed it back through. I pull a little snug, but not ridiculously snug. Okay, and there's the book, and then we'll slip the spine back on. I haven't had my spines imprinted yet. I mean to do that. So let's take a look at what those pages look like. Oh, look at that. Love it. I love it. I love that they made those tabs in the same spot. And then there's the Christmas one. Isn't that gorgeous? So I just love that. So thanks for watching. I hope you do something fun in your craft room this week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.